If you're looking to get travel support in Navan, you're in the right place. Navan is designed to streamline travel management, making it easier for businesses and individuals to plan, book, and manage travel needs from a single platform. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know how to leverage this powerful tool for maximum efficiency. Navan simplifies every part of your travel process. Whether you're booking flights, hotels, or arranging ground transportation, Navan provides an all-in-one solution. One of the standout features is how it integrates everything into one seamless experience. You can access a wide range of options in real time, ensuring you get the best deals and the most up-to-date information. The software is especially useful for teams and businesses. If you have a group of employees or partners needing to coordinate travel, Navan helps organize everything. It allows you to set budgets, track spending, and even provide customized travel options for each user. This ensures that no one has to deal with the confusion or chaos of managing multiple itineraries. And if you're someone who's always on the go, Navan's mobile app keeps your travel details right at your fingertips. You can book new trips, make changes, and even get instant alerts if there are delays or cancellations. This means you're always in control, no matter where you are. One of the best things about Navan is its support. They offer 24/7 assistance, so you're never left hanging when you need help. Whether you need to adjust your itinerary last minute or encounter an issue on the road, their team is there to help you resolve it quickly. For businesses, Navan's reporting tools are incredibly valuable. You can track your travel expenses, analyze spending patterns, and generate reports that help you make informed decisions about future trips. It's a huge time saver and can help you save money by identifying areas for improvement. And the best part? You can try Navan for free right now. We've partnered with them to offer you an exclusive free trial, so you can test out all the features and see how it can simplify your travel experience. The first link in the description below will get you access to this extended trial, allowing you to dive into everything Navan has to offer with no risk. In summary, whether you're a business traveler or planning a personal trip, Navan's all-in-one platform offers the support and tools you need to manage your travel effectively. From booking to managing and reporting, it simplifies the entire process. Don't forget, by using the link below, you can get an extended free trial, which is a great opportunity to see firsthand how Navan can work for you. So go ahead, click the link, and get started with Navan today. You'll be glad you did.